Good morning, guys. Just on my way to work. Look at these fishes. They're just swimming, doing their thing. It's just a very beautiful day at the lake today. I'm the worst vlogger, guys, but coffee for breakfast. And right now I'm gonna eat some lunch, a little burrito, and I got myself my soda. Time to eat some food. So super neat story, guys. I manifested my reality today. I really wanted a caramel ice macchiato, but I wanted to go to the post office to get my phone case at the same time. So I ended up getting a call from a manager, and she was at Starbucks and ended up getting me the drink I wanted. I went to the post office and got that. And then later, I also got another little treat too. I got myself a burrito. Just manifested through another manager. They were down the mountain and they were coming back up, and I got coffee, phone case, and my lunch. That was super awesome. I was super excited about that. Super divine blessed day, and just look at this view. It's so beautiful today. Just gotta love the view, guys. It's so magical. Just gotta love the enchanted forest today. Just got off work, guys, and now time to eat some yummy food. This is some vegetarian Asian food. We got some stinky meat, broccoli stir fry, some rice, and yummy tomato tofu soup. So can't wait to eat all. Can't wait, time to eat the food. Hey guys, just chilling at the nursery, and the plant looks so cool. It's got all the black on it, very magical, House of Night, witchy, Valeris vibes. I love it. So cool. Hey guys, really didn't vlog today. I did a lot of errands and came home and had a lazy movie day and spent my 50 bucks on candy, which is crazy, but these zingers are so good by Hostess, guys. They're amazing. Got some saltwater taffy, just whatever. Got Mason a gun.
Yeah.
And a bunch of candies downstairs that we were eating, but some that's up here is just some Mexican candy, some apple rings, and of course, the popcorn.
This is the
Oh,
ball
sorry.
right here.
That's it. Yeah, we had those. We had watermelon ones. They were really good. And yeah, I just ate some ravioli. Was munching on some snacks. And yeah, that's what I've been up to. Hey guys, hope you've been doing well. I just haven't really been vlogging a lot, but I don't know, I just feel like things are kind of weird, and I've just been working and trying to get through day-to-day life with everything going on and the pandemic and things rising, so haven't really been on here, but I miss you guys. I'm just going to show you some stuff I got because that's what I've been doing. My nails kind of chipped even though I just did them, so I added one more quick layer and some clear polish from far where it looks beautiful, and don't look too close. But anyways, my witches boxes came, guys. The witches roots box and the bounty. I just filmed the moon box yesterday, but I just got, and I don't have my makeup on. I want to trim my hair again, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait to film it on my day off so I can just have more energy and just be super excited to go ahead and unbox. So we got those. I'm super excited to open them. Check them out at thewitchesmoon.com. They have a moon market and so many awesome things. Hi, Maleficent. And I also ordered some of these on Amazon, guys. A bunch of these charcoals. I'll let you know how this brand is. There were really good reviews, so I bought these so I can use them. Hi. In my cauldron. So I can burn my herbs on there, cleanse and smudge my space. And then the other day at the grocery store, I spent like so much money because we're out of groceries. I got some candy because my sister wanted to go in the candy aisle. I love Sour Punch straws, guys. Do you remember having a teacher that gave these out and they'd only give you one? Like, sweet of you, but I need more, right? They're so yummy. And then I got these bars for work so I can just have some snacks when I get hungry. And yeah, I was just using this little clutch today, guys, and I was doing my nails last night, so I got a little nail station down there, but yeah, I don't even think I got to show you guys my new phone case. I need to show you one of these days in the mirror, but the Sour Punch straws are just so yummy. Hi! Maleficent's so sweet. So I hope you guys have been doing well with everything going on. I just need to try to vlog a little bit more. It's just sometimes I get ready, I look nice, but I'm just not in the mood to really film, if that makes sense. Especially working with everything going on, working in customer service, dealing with different types of people. I just need to, on my day off, smudge myself, take my cleansing bath, and just do what everyone else has been doing and not like creating and doing stuff. So trying to get a nice balance, guys, but I still, one thing that's always important to me is my divinity, my light work, so I always try to push and still do some of that. I think I just need to not work as hard and take more time off, because together there's a lot of us light workers doing our thing. But one thing I've been wanting to do, guys, to make me happy with all the craziness going on amongst everything is having my fall decoration. I brought in some of the fall leaves and decorations, guys. This corner's not done either, but I have like a little Egyptian corner, but I wanted to have, can you stop that, Mason? That's the cat's toy. I wanted to bring in the fall vibes, guys, because I just love fall. And fall's just like an awesome time of year. It brings it back. Like the time when it's holiday time, getting close to All Hallows Eve and the holidays, and it just brings me so much happiness, and I just totally wanted to bring that out. So that's something new I've done, guys, and I don't know, I got medicine. I got itchy skin problems, so I got some medicine from the doctor. It was different, like being on Zoom with the doctor and all that stuff, so you know, living day-to-day life. I'm super excited. I don't know if I told you guys, but I wanted to get the PS4, guys, but I found out that the PS5 is going to come out the end of this year, so why am I going to buy a PlayStation that's like 3-4 years old when a new one's coming out? So I'm trying to be super patient to get that, because especially being in quarantine and just being inside, like, I do love, you know, doing magic and all my books. Like, I love reading, but it's in doses. Like, after I read a good book, okay, I need a break. I want to go on hikes. I want to do my magic, my prayers, and then I want to, you know, watch TV shows, YouTube, and games are just so fun because it's just, like, addicting, and you just gotta just do different things, like race car games, like those fighting games like Soul Calibur, Devil May Cry 3, and all those fun, like, games and stuff. So I definitely want to get the PlayStation so I can play some fun games, and I know my siblings are going to love it too. Love you, Maleficent. You're so bratty. My little bratty cat. She's so cute. I thought I was getting makeup on you, but didn't wear no makeup today. So, yeah, I didn't show you guys, but I bought like a Maybelline concealer, and the shade is a little bit too orange for me. I tried to get it to match my face because I always get too much of a light shade, and I tried matching it more, and it ended up backfiring. So when I used my other concealer that's more white and my NARS foundation, because it's too white for my skin, everything kind of worked after I put powder on. So I got my little ways to make things work with what I got. So that's what's been kind of new. I hope you guys have been doing well. I'm just tired after work and just want to sleep. And I found out on this camera, guys, how to make the resolution really good. So I'm shooting in like 4K right now, but when you guys probably watch this video, it's not going to be in 4K because my video editor doesn't want to edit like iMovie, just wants to take like, I forget, like a couple of days to edit the footage. So you're probably watching it in 720p or 1080p because my mountain internet sucks. But I hope you guys have been doing well. Just a little update with all the stuff I've been doing, and we'll see if there's anything left in this vlog or where it's going to take us. In the next couple of days, I'm going to go ahead and film those videos, and if TikTok is still a thing, I've been wanting to really film this TikTok. It's like what you would wear, different outfits in TV shows. Like I want to do the Kardashians, Vampire Diaries, maybe Charmed, and I forget, there was like another show, but that kind of vibe. I wanted to film that TikTok, and there's the funny one where it's kind of like, oh no, don't do it, girl. I'm not gonna do it. It's like a girl, like there's like shopping online, and they're like, I did it, girl, and it's funny. So they show the like image of the thing online, and then they just show it in real life, like they got it. So that's funny. I might want to film that. Maybe like a couple TikToks, and I just want to like finish reading my book and just do some magic and have some fun with all these new tools from the witchy boxes and my charcoal. So can't wait to be smudging my room more, making some potions, and my cat's just got her nails in me like this, and her claws are just digging into me. Maleficent, that hurts so bad. I don't think she realizes how sharp her nails are. She forgets, but yeah, little updates, guys. I love you. I hope you all are well and be safe. And so I also forgot to show you guys, I'll let you know if these are any good. I bought these scissors, the set, online because I need these to help thin out my hair, the long parts of my hair. It's just really thick, and when I do like my hair, it uses a lot of product, and it's just hard to basically do. So my hair is super thick, which is a good thing, but this scissor helps thin out your hair, and my other pair just got lost, so I ordered a new pair, guys. So I was super excited to get these, and there's like another set that's just normal scissors to cut your hair, some combs, and this comb has like a blade in there so you can layer your hair. So I'm super excited to use these, guys. And that was another thing I bought that I forgot to show ya. When you ask the coffee guy for a medium and he gives you like an extra large, what the heck? Crazy. guys haven't seen Maisie in so long. She's alive and thriving still. And right now we're just playing tug of war right now. Say hi, Maisie. Whoa. She's not messing around, guys. Hi guys, I don't know how the quality's gonna be, but I wanted to try vlogging on Instagram with this filter because it's so magical and so pretty, but I'm super excited today because I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox the Witch's Bounty box as well as the Roots box, and I put on this little necklace I got from them and made it into like a little anklet. Oh, you're so cute, Maleficent. You're just a little goddess, aren't you? And I made it into like a little anklet too, and I gave myself a little pedicure last night, and if you get close, you see like all the edges that still need cleaning with acetone, but it dries out my skin so much, so after I shower, most of the edges can just like peel off, so I gave myself a little pedicure, a little self-love, and gave myself a new manicure because when I'm at work and I do shipment and different things and selling product, it just like chips, and you know how it is when you don't have gel polish, so gave myself a little new manicure, and that's just how everything's going, and got the fall vibes going because I want to be super happy like I showed you guys last time, but with this filter. Hello magical souls, I'm having so much fun today. I just filmed my second video. I'm just rocking this white blazer in my first Witch's Bounty box. If you guys haven't seen the video already, go check it out. But I got this beautiful pendant. I'm so in love with it. I've been wanting one like this for so long. Seen them all over Instagram, but this one was custom made by the Witch's Moon, and they curated it and made it so cool. So I was so happy to get that. And I'm just wearing a little white outfit right now, guys. And something else I got that was super cool in the Roots box for this month with this beautiful gold triquetra. I'm just in love with it, guys. It's so awesome. I'm gonna give you a little close-up. It's just so beautiful, guys. I just love this triquetra so much. Looks so beautiful in the forest. Earlier I had it over here, guys, for my video clip in that video, and it's just so beautiful. Look how nice it looks in the forest, even when there's like not a lot of green going on, like the leaves everywhere, but when there's just some dry trees, and it's just so pretty. So yeah, guys, I've just been having some fun, creating some magical content on my day off, trying to get some photos. I'm slipping, I'm sliding, I'm on a little hill. But I'm just so happy right now, guys. It feels so good because working through all the new normal and different things going on, our whole world, different countries, continents within the US, there's just so much drama and bad things that are being brought to the light, and things are brewing, wars are happening, so it just feels so good to be like on my day off in the forest, feeling so relaxed, doing some magical things, opening some beautiful magic boxes from the Witch's Moon. Thank you so much to the Witch's Moon, God, and all the Ascended Masters for blessing me with these beautiful boxes because I'm so in love with them. Every month it's just like a breath of fresh air to open these magical boxes, get an escape from the real world, enjoy the beautiful magic and new tools I'm about to get, guys. It's just so refreshing and I'm having so much fun. I'm just like did my hair the other day. I gave myself a haircut, so I did a one now, guys, so it's super short, so keeps on growing so quick every week. It's like cut your hair once a week, like on Monday, then it's like redo your nails because they keep on chipping. So yeah, it's just like feels so good to like have like made myself look good, done some photos, done some stuff that just makes me happy, like filming videos, taking pictures, making content, as well as opening the beautiful witchy boxes. I can't wait to do some magic soon, guys, and I'm just having so much fun. I hope you guys are having a great day. I think with this vlog, this is pretty much gonna end it. I just need to remember in my next vlog to vlog my new skincare, this new product I got. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe like always, and turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified for all my future content. And like always, guys, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace always. Blessed be, magical souls. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be.